Got KTV bars across the street. Two over here. Hello. 60%.
Okay, another bar. This one.
Oh, I'll come back later.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk around real quick.
Okay.
Here. Oh, this is nice. What up? So I just went to Shonen Japanese Izakaya. Everything was good. I was just disappointed I didn't see chicken hearts on the menu, but about to go check out this Malate nightlife. So let's go.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, Malate mostly known for like the KTV bars in terms of nightlife. They got a few regular bars and a couple clubs in the area. Also known as Koreatown. That's why you'll see a lot of Korean barbecue bars or barbecue restaurants. Like that. Korean restaurant. Got KTV bars across the street. Two over here. Hello. I'll come back later. Thank you.
Inside, sir.
Oh yeah.
That is 500 only drink on weekend for 2 hours, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Is that like the menu for it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is our menu, sir. This is the dining system, sir. That's only 500.
500.
90 minutes, but I give you 30 minutes free, so 2 hours drink all you can. And then the lady request is only 400 for 2 hours. And the single ladies drink is 400 also, sir. But it's up to you, sir, how many drinks you give to the girl.
Okay.
For 2 hours. If you want to give only 1 drinks, 2 drinks, it's up to you, sir.
Cool.
Yeah, like that, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
They got like 3 bars right there.
Sir, if you want, can you check my place inside? That is free.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'll come back later. I just want to walk around real quick.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So there you go. You heard it. The prices. 500 pesos. All you could drink for 2 hours. If you want a lady to sit with you, 400 pesos. Lady drinks for a single shot, 400 pesos. Double shot, 800 pesos. And you got somebody to sing karaoke with, chit chat with. Maybe get her to like you a little bit. Just come check it out.
Boss.
I think most of these bars open around like 7 p.m. So they just now getting started. Well, they probably started an hour ago. Still kind of early. Or maybe I might come and check it out later. Thank you. Yeah, you know.
Checking.
Oh, I'll check it later.
Yes, you can check later. You can check later.
Oh, I'll check later.
Hello, boss. Taking ladies.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Magna.
Yeah, I know.
Pimpos home, never done. Only 500, unlimited range.
I'll come check it out later. What time?
Anytime, boss. If you request, you have to show time.
Oh, okay.
All dancing, all class.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. Hey, is camera allowed?
Yes.
I can take camera? Okay, cool. Thank you. So I might go there later. Let you guys see a little show. Neverland.
Alis na muna ulit.
There, no. Oh, I'm good.
Grand opening.
Grand opening?
Yes.
What? Oh, Club Moosin? Oh, I'll come back. I'll come check it out later. I'll come check it out later. Thanks. Oh, I'm good right now. Thanks.
Unlimited drinks 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay, brother.
Oh, I'm good, man. Thanks.
Oh, you want vlogger?
Yeah, blogger.
Yes, sir, I know. Strip show.
Drip show? Oh, not today.
I recommend to you, sir.
Ito, KTV. KTV, unlimited drinks 2 hours. Very beautiful girl.
excuse me.
Oh, okay, Monday.
I'll come check it out later.
Because of all of KTV
KTV
bar
bar.
in Malate. For example, only 500 pesos drink or you can unlimited drink for 2 hours.
I'll come check it out later.
Check inside.
But this one?
Oh, this one I recommend to you, sir, but no expensive. Come on, check only. Come on.
I'll come check it out later.
Okay, come
Oh,
on.
take a look. Take a look.
Later, not later, now. Yes. Only check. Don't worry if you don't like the girl.
Take a look.
It's okay. Take a look only.
Is camera okay?
Oh, okay, come on, sir. Come on, let's go.
I'll come check it out.
Please try. my store. Sweet name. Welcome.
Many beautiful girl. Okay.
Today is Bunny Girl.
That bunny girl? Oh, wow.
Very sexy and beautiful lady. Hot. Welcome.
Oh, wait.
Happy sir. Come to mama, sir.
Oh. Well, it's kind of cold. I'll come back later.
Come, sir.
I'll come back later.
I will explain you the system.
Oh, he just explained it to me.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll come back later. Oh, wow. I'll come back later. Many beautiful women. Thank you. Promise 60%.
Okay. Another bar. Oh, this one.
Oh, I'll come back later. I want to walk around real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
So many discount to you, huh? If you want come back, there's so many discount.
I like. Yeah, that one good.
Yes, that's one.
Good.
Sir, you check inside. So many beautiful ladies.
Oh, I'll come back later.
What time you come back?
What time is it? Maybe 11.
11 o'clock.
Yeah. Maybe I have to walk around real quick. Yeah.
Oh, sir, come sir.
I'll come back. I'll come back later. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, sir. The vlog.
BB, sir.
Yeah. How you doing? Shout out.
I'm good.
Oh, there you go.
Shout man. Good morning. Hello.
How you doing, bro?
Pretty good.
You got VIP. You want second?
VIP? Oh, I'll come and check it out later. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, some of those spots, they be having that AC turned up. It's too cold in that one spot, but I might go back later. There's some cute ones in there. Yeah, it could get a little bit overwhelming. You got like 20 women pulling on you. That's like when they're attractive like that. Yeah, it could get definitely overwhelming. Venus. Oh, I'm good right now. Thank you. Yeah, nothing but mostly KTV bars in this area.
Oh, my friend.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm good right now. Thank you.
Where are you going, my friend?
Oh, I'm just walking around. let me show y'all this rooftop bar they got. Yeah, one thing I like about Malate is very walkable. Just waiting on the elevator. Yeah, so the rooftop bar got like a cafe up here. Come up here and chill.
Si Darwin late. Binaba ako sa dispatch, lalaki pa siya Darwin.
You got the water that way. Like I can see some lights from some of the ships out there. Ooh, I see thunders. I mean lightning. They got more seating up here. Oh, this is nice.
Ano na yung kayo? Ano ba dyan ah?
Sa may na pala ako tuwing dalawang ano. Dalawang Chinese.
Hindi, okay na. Ito yan, yung 22. Dalawang Amerikano. Oo. Enjoy na ba na po? Joy! Ayan na. Yung Amerikano 24.
Bet you that looks nice in the daytime. Looks like they got some nice bean bags up there. Oh, then it looked like you could take a good picture right here. I don't know if I want to step on that grate though. Yeah, that looks crazy. And they got this indoor part. Usually have AC running in here. Nobody in here, so no reason to have it on. Then got the bar right here and everything. Then back out to the front. Nice chill spot. Oh, it feels good in here. Got some nice cakes and everything. Nice seating. Hello. Yeah, and that's the cafe. So that's the rooftop bar. I'm going to walk around a little bit more, see what's going on.